Hi Upper Darby families, my name is Kristen O'Neill and today we are going to work on phonological awareness. Remember, phonological awareness are activities where we listen to and manipulate sounds. These are things that we can do with our eyes closed. Today we are going to focus on first sound fluency. And what that means is that you are listening for the first sound in a word. In the classroom, the teacher says a word and the students say the first sound in that word. Let me give you an example. If I say the word happy, the students say h because h is the first sound in that word. Let's try another one. If I say candle, the students say k because k is the first sound in that word. You can practice first sound fluency with your children at home. Let me give you a list of words that you can practice with. These are a few words that you can practice first sound fluency with. Remember, you can do this anytime, anywhere, because it is the students listening. They don't need to be reading anything. You can use the words that I'm giving you, or you can use any word. Let me show you. Puppy, p, magic, napkin, n, sunflower, s, table, t, robin, yellow, y, garden, g. Happy practicing!